Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your November 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. Your Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections, so you'll always be getting some of the latest and greatest products. Each collection will have cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments to work with. Along with your 4 collections, you're also going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee so that you can brew this up and drink it while you create, as well as 4 recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections designed by the design team. It'll include a full color photo of the finished layout as well as cutting and assembly instructions. So you'll be ready to create right away if you just want to follow along with their instructions. Or you can create all on your own and even come over to the Facebook group and the blog to be inspired by all the other creations from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So this month the 4 collections are Echo Park Celebrate Autumn, Heidi Swapp Emerson Lane, My Mind's Eye Well Hello, and Jen Hatfield Along the Way. As you can tell, there's a wide variety of themes and colors, so you'll have plenty of choices to scrapbook all kinds of photos this month. And if you're like me, you're ready for fall, so let's dig in and see each one of the 4 collections up close, starting with our fall collection from Echo Park. Celebrate Autumn is this gorgeous collection. It has this aqua green along with the browns and the yellows and the oranges. It's just gorgeous and perfect for all your fall projects. Your cardstocks are going to be 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. And your pattern papers, we're going to start with this one that's a burlap background. It has all of the pumpkins and the fun designs and then some little signs. And the back is a horizontal stripe. This one is called Pumpkin Farm. Then we have the gorgeous text paper that also has some larger icons like the apple and the acorn. And the back side is that burlap design by itself. This one is called Fall is Fun. And then we have this aqua floral. This one is called Autumn Floral. And the back side is all of these fall florals and the little stems. Just gorgeous. So your patterned papers, one more time. And your embellishments are the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So it has 2 border strips along with some really cute icons. I love the little fox and the raccoon and the owl, as well as some of the same florals that we saw in the patterned paper, and the apple and the pumpkins. So that's Celebrate Autumn from Echo Park. Next, from American Crafts, we have Emerson Lane, designed by Heidi Swapp. This is a beautiful, soft, feminine floral collection. So your cardstock is 2 sheets of craft. Patterned paper is this one called Semi-Sweet, and it's a beautiful brush stroke painted floral. The back side is this green stripe that's offset, so it's kind of strips of stripes. This one called Sweet Nothings is a beautiful abstract floral print, or kind of just actually, I guess it's just kind of leaves on that. And the back is a beautiful yellow and white diagonal stripe, and it has this floral print down in the corner. This collection also has the full branding strips. This one called Old School, which has the wood planks along with this chevron design of all the different patterned papers in this collection. So this would be a gorgeous background. The back is this watercolored pink. So one more look at the patterned paper. Again, that's just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to get some photo corners. All of the embellishments will vary among the kits. There's also an envelope, so you could make a card out of your scraps, or you could use that on your layout for some hidden journaling as well. Then you're going to get some various pieces of the ephemera pack, and it includes some printed vellum pieces as well as some cardstock die cuts. So again, those will all vary among the kits, but that's what was in mine. So that's Emerson Lane from Heidi Swapp and American Crafts. Our next collection from my mind's eye is Well, Hello. This is a fun, whimsical collection with gorgeous flowers and some really fun icons. So starting off, you'll get 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one that has the fun hot air balloons and the birds with the clouds. And this one even has a little person looking out over it. The back side is this fern design on a yellow background. This one is called What's Up. Then we have the triangle design with some stars. The back is a text print. It's fun, cheer, play, yay, happy. This one is called Ciao. Then we have a gorgeous floral print, these large kind of abstract looking florals. The back side is a wide 2-toned pink stripe. This one's called Good Day. So one more look at your pattern paper. Then your embellishments, you're going to get a sampling of the ephemera pack. So these embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is what I received in mine. Again, just those fun, whimsical designs, as well as some enamel dots from Fancy Pants. So these will vary as well, but that's the ones that were in my kit. So that is my mind's eye. Well, hello. Our final collection from American Crafts is Along the Way, designed by the talented Jen Hatfield. You'll get 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Flutter, with all of these butterflies on here. And the back side is this periwinkle with a polka dot. The full branding strip is this beautiful black and white design of florals. This one called Porch Swing has a 2-toned yellow print of florals, and the back side is a chevron pink. This one called Scattered Sunshine is a small floral print on yellow, and the back is a striped with a thin stripe of colors. And that branding strip's got all of these cute little birds on the black. So one more look at your pattern paper. You can tell this is a collection that can go for just about any photos that you have or any projects. The embellishments you receive will all vary among the kits, but you'll get a dimensional sticker. So this has a wood frame and then the cardstock piece that says Hello Friend, and it's on a foam dot. You'll also receive some word stickers, a tag, and then some of the die cut pieces. And the die cuts have some gold foiling on them. This little dimensional sticker has gold foiling on the words. So as you can see, it is just simply gorgeous. I love the colors. It's very unique and definitely great for all kinds of photos. So one more look at your flavors of the month. Don't forget to visit the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team is creating with their kits. If you're not already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup and subscribe, and then click the notification bell and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.